this is Julissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing. If you're interested in seeing what I got, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So here it is. Look how pretty this is. The drawers have the mirrors all across it, and then the knobs are like a crystal, a clear crystal. Is so pretty. And this came from Wayfair, and I'll leave the link in the description box. So I just received this box from Amazon. So this is my dryer rack for my sink. So I ordered this from Amazon, and it came really fast. I ordered it on Thursday and I got it today on Sunday. So the end over here is rubber, and then this is stainless steel. I like it because now I could just put it away when I'm not drying anything. I don't have to have the rack up. This is how the rack looks, and this is stainless steel, and it's 21 inches in length and 16 in width. And then all you gotta do is roll it up, and then you could just put it away anywhere. So I've had this candle holder for about 3 years or 4 years, and when I got it, it had this rustic look. So now I'm just going to paint it and change it up. This is how they look after one coat. So I'm just going to do it one more time and just leave it like that. And this is the way the candle holders came out after I painted them in white. I think they look much better in this color. I have this console table here that I've had for a few years, and I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna just paint it to white. I was gonna do silver, but I'm gonna just do it white. So I decided to go with the silver. I didn't like the way the white looked, so I did the silver, and I like it much better. So this is what the table looks like.